Did you know Britain's biggest burglary was pulled off by a gang of pensioners? On Easter Monday 2015, security arrived at Hatton Garden Safe Deposit to find their vault completely emptied. A massive hole had been drilled through 20-inch reinforced concrete walls. The thieves used a 100,000-pound industrial Hilti drill, working for 4 days straight. This wasn't some young crew. These were criminals aged 58 to 76. They disabled alarms, avoided cameras, and used decades of experience to plan the perfect heist. But greed made them return for more loot, triggering motion sensors they'd missed. Police found 14 million pounds worth of jewelry stuffed in their homes. The ringleader? 76-year-old Brian Reeder. These diamond Wheezers proved age doesn't stop criminal ambition. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking heist stories.